All right, well, today's video, basically we're going to unrestrict this Hyosung scooter. It's illegal in almost all states, so it's up to you what you want to do. Basically, I've been wanting to do this video for about a good month and a half, but I've been waiting on this nut right there. I managed to find two overseas. They're getting shipped on Monday, so I can't do a speed test. Just to let you guys know that I'll do a speed test when I get that nut. So with this, what happens is when you de-restrict your scooter, you're going to go from about 30 to 32 miles per hour. That's the stock. When you unrestrict it, you'll be able to go up to 37 to 40 miles per hour, depending on your weight and all of that, and how well your scooter's running. So what you got to do basically is there's a screw here, 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 and here. Those are Phillips. And you got two, one here on this side, and two on the other side. I've already unscrewed all those screws, and so in order to get this cover off here, you want to just lift it up, pull it out like that. Now your headlights are going to still be attached, so you want to just kind of fold it, and there's a space right here, and that's what I put mine under, just like that, and that will hold that whole weight of that without wrecking it. So in order to de-restrict your scooter, you got to find your CDI. It should not be hanging like this, because you can actually damage it. This is how I got it. So what you want to do, almost all these Chinese scooters, this one's Korean, so it's different. A lot of videos are out there with the GY6 scooters, the Chinese scooters, and they have a different way of doing this. So for this one, if you look here, you see that spot's open. That's because I pulled out this wire here, and I just put a little crappy blue tape on it. When this is plugged in, again, you're going to only get a top speed of about 30 to 32 miles an hour. It's a rev limiter, so it cuts out. You can hold the throttle as much as you want. You're going to hear it cutting out. But when you pull that out in that spot there, start up your scooter, and like I said, you'll go up to about, I don't know, 37 to 40, 42 miles per hour, and that's basically all it is. So I just wanted to make this video for you guys because I've been putting it off, and everybody likes to have their scooter go a little bit faster. Again, it is against the law. It's up to you if you want to use what I'm teaching you or not. It's on your discretion. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you can, because we're just starting this channel, and just starting to mod this out. Other than that, enjoy, and thank you very much.